Hi everyone, this is PV Ramakrishna from TSWR COE Karimnagar. Today I would like to explain constructing a tangent to a circle at a given point when the center of the circle is known. Okay, before going to construct, we have to take a circle. We have to take a circle with center O. This is center is known here. Okay, and we have to assume a point. We have to consider a point on the circumference of the circle anywhere. For example, I am taking here. Now through this point P, we have to construct a circle. See how to construct a circle. How to construct a tangent through a point on the circumference of the circle when the center is known. First of all, by compass we have to draw a circle with the center O. We have to draw a circle with the center O. Like this, we have to draw a circle. Denote the point O as a center and mark a point P anywhere on the circumference of the circle. I am considering point P here. This is the point what I have considered. Now join O and P by using scale. Join OP like this. Put a pencil like this and join OP and extend to somewhere. So why I am extending? For our convenience, I am extending to somewhere. Okay. Next, through this point P, we have to draw a perpendicular line. We have to draw a perpendicular line. How to draw a perpendicular line? See, first with the center P, you draw a semicircle like this. With center P, draw a semicircle above the point P. Okay, this is our point P. Okay, after drawing the semicircle, left side of P, this arc cuts, the semicircle cuts OP at some point now with the center as that point. That intersecting point with center as that intersecting point, cut one arc on that and second arc like this. What is the meaning of it? Do you know? If you join P and this point, you will get 60 degrees. If you join P and this is second arc intersecting point, we will get 120 degrees. But what angle we want at P? We want 90 degrees. We want 90 degrees at point B. For that, you measure the distance between these two. Of course, it will be same. You draw two more arcs. You draw one arc other side and another arc center as this point and cut previous arc. Now we got one intersect point here, one intersecting point there. Now join P and that intersecting point. Now join P and that intersecting point. P and that intersecting point like this, and extend on either side. Extend on either side. Now we got a line like this. This line is called, take it as x and this side y. This line xy is called, is the tangent to the circle at the point P when the center is known. Here xy is the required tangent to the given circle which is passing through the point P. Yes, according to definition, this is the tangent. Tangent is always makes 90 degrees with the radius. Okay, understood. Now here I have one question. Can you draw one more tangent through this point P? Can you draw? No, we cannot draw because of perpendicular lines through a given point are unique. Through a point we cannot draw more than one perpendicular line, so that we can construct a tangent to a circle at given point. One and only one tangent we can draw. We cannot draw more than one tangent at a given point on the circumference of the circle. I hope you all of you understood how to construct a tangent to the given circle at given point when the center of the circle is known. Thank you. We will meet in next class with another construction. Okay.